In May we are coming to Exeter. We will be staging our Masonry Reinforcement Seminar at Exeter City Football Club. It is on Friday, May the 6th at 8:30 AM to 11:30. Entry is totally free, just register at the link below. Come and learn about what we do. Our helipile, which is environmentally friendly, you do not need to use concrete and it is totally reusable for temporary structures. You can lower the carbon footprint of your site with our products. And while you are here, why not meet Target Structural Southwest Regional Director to your area, Carlton Lawman. We have free breakfast as well as plenty of like-minded people in the trade around your area. It is a fantastic networking opportunity. You can earn CPD points from being present at the seminar. So come down to St James's Park on May the 6th at 8:30 and we will do the rest. Target Fixings, Construction Solutions, 25 years in the business.